Yes, I prefer Asus router China version because it is cheaper yet perform the same. So here is the guide to set up UniFi on it. First of all, use browser to navigate to router.asus.com. Yes, it is in Chinese. No worry, just follow my step-by-step will do. Create a new network first, then select yes as UniFi require username and password. Key in your UniFi username like username at UniFi and password. Continue to set up your SSID network name and password. It combines both 2.4 gig and 5 gig as one SSID by default. You can separate them as you prefer. Followed by the router admin account name and password. Asus router will be rebooted once configure everything. Internet status is not connected yet. No worry. Let's change to English first. Then go to LAN settings, select IPTV tab, add select ISP profile, select UniFi Home for internet package with IPTV STB unit, else UniFi Business. Then apply. That's all. Internet status should be connected now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumb up. Peace.